So today we are not going to be working on any cars. No, not in this video. Though there's a ton to do. Today I am going to start a new, let's say, side videos, a different playlist, if you will, to go with all this crazy car love I have. We're gonna step it up another little bit here with RC cars. That's right. I got this VRX Racing. This is a crawler. I ordered this and well, as you can see, I planned on making the video on the table, but I didn't have time. It got here wicked fast. 3 days actually. And this one, though it has this Land Rover-ish Jeep body, which I don't care for very much, I'll probably try to get a K5 Blazer body for it. Ready to run electric. I had a gas one back in the day. I decided to go electric this time. Maybe we'll get another gas one later on. But I want to open this box. Let's see the beauty inside. Ooh, it's red. So this is a actual 4x4 crawler. It actually has the straight shafts and everything in the front. Charger for the battery. There's all your instructions and everything. The user manual, if you will. We'll throw this to the side here. Let's see here. Just some cardboard protectors. Does that have anything in it? Sounds like something's in there, but I don't think it applies to us at this moment. Oh, nice. Yeah, boy. Pull it out of there. Oh, yeah. Ooh, looky here. 4x4 goodness. Let's set this in the chair here. This is a 1/10 scale, which means it's pretty good size, which I don't care for them small ones too much. Oh yeah. Big time here. Silica gel. Nothing like a fresh car body. How are these connected? Zip ties. Oh, look at that. It even comes with a spare tire. Maybe it has a spare tire mount for it. Let's put this thing on its side here. Ooh, I just cut my finger there. Oh look, razor knife ready to go. Kind of hard to do this one-handed. Yeah, let's see if I can get some side cutters. These might work. Oh yeah. All right. Oh yeah. It's gonna be so cool. Oh yeah, look at there. It does. It comes with a spare tire. I didn't expect that at all. Oh, and it does mount on the back. Cool. That's real cool. But what I'm not seeing here yet is a controller. Get that out of the way. So if I'm lucky, it's going to be under the body, which a lot of them do that. So let's pull these body pins out up here. Don't lose these things. They're kind of hard to replace. Oh, there we go. Them two are out. Got these two. Yeah, I'm dirty from work today, that's for sure. Let's get this side up. Just a second here. Oh yeah, that suspension's nice. It's got some body movement, so yeah, it'll be nice off-roading this thing. That's what I'm looking for. Wow, these bodies have come a long way since the last time I've played with them. This is like a real, actual... Wow. I expected these to be part of the body right here, the fender flares and stuff. But they're actually screwed on. Yeah, from the inside. That's amazing. That's awesome. Yeah, there we go. There's the controller I've been looking for. Let's cut it free. Hopefully the battery's in it too. Should be. It's ready to run. That's what the RTR on the box, where is it, right there, stands for. Ready to run. Oh, that's pretty good. Pretty good controller there. What's this up here? These are probably your fine adjustments. Yep. Yep, power on, power off. The steering and everything, it's all there. And that helps you change your, like if it's tracking, if it's not running straight, you can basically do like a front end alignment from your controller. Yeah, it feels pretty good. Yeah, it feels pretty good. Oh, cool, it's rechargeable too. That's the number one thing I look for. The more you can have rechargeable stuff and not have to constantly, you know, get batteries, that's a nightmare. Now this one appears to be the I don't know if this is the brushless or brushed. I can't really tell. Let's flip it around here. I don't know. I think it's the brushless. You can get them in two different kinds, the brushed and brushless. Let me see here, brushless. I think that's a dead giveaway right there. Okay, yes, this is the brushed motor. Okay. So that's no big deal. It's a brushed motor. That's the antenna right there. Man, this thing's... Oh, cool. The adjustable shocks. Oh man, this thing. Look at this. You can bend this thing like 6 ways from Sunday to make it crawl. A sealed on-off switch, so this thing technically can go mudding and everything. Now, I don't believe this has batteries in the remote. Nope. Let's take 4 doubles. Oh, crap. 8 doubles. Yeah, definitely going to be getting rechargeables. So I'm going to have to get 8 AA batteries for that. And then we can test drive it. This is just the unboxing and looking it all over. See how it looks. It looks fantastic. The soldering points look very good. All the plugs are in good. It's the motor right there. It actually has a... I think it said it had a 2-speed transmission. I think that's the headlights right there. They might have came off the body. But yes. Okay. It's got the central transmission, drive shafts, and I'm guessing those collapse Yeah, they open and collapse and everything, so this thing's awesome. I like how adjustable suspension, so you can make it stiffer right there. But yes, yeah, the front's actually softer than the rear. But yeah, this thing's awesome. Seems to be really well put together. And in the next couple of videos of this, I will be taking it off-roading. It's got a little eye hook, so if another RC car happens to be out there and gets stuck, we can pull it out. Nice big battery. It's in there good and tight, it's not going to fall out. Okay. This thing is probably going to go nuts here. I'm going to try to plug this battery up one-handed here. I don't think I'm going to do it. Come on, you can do it. There it is. Now I would say this thing's probably not even charged. I did get it yesterday, or well, today. That probably means it's dead. So yeah. Going to have to charge this thing up, get some batteries, and we'll show you the test drive.